In this worksheet, we are using triangle shortcuts, identifying those. For this first one, they're talking about included sides. So you find the two angles, and the side that connects the two angles together is what we call the included side. For number A, for A here, we're looking at, this is a right triangle because of the right angle, and we can see that we have a hypotenuse leg pattern. So these two triangles are going to be congruent by hypotenuse leg. PSQ is going to be congruent to PSR. The other, going for B, we have angle, angle, side as our pattern. So those two triangles are going to be congruent by angle, angle, side. In a little bit, I'll put the triangle congruences in. Now, notice that with C, this is a ASS pattern.
Jaden Dowell, please report to the main atrium security desk.
But it's not a right triangle. So since it's not a right triangle, we can't use hypotenuse leg, and we can't do anything with it. D is going to be a side, side, side pattern. And E is going to be an angle, side, angle pattern. The side is the included side between angle A and angle B, and between angle Y and angle X. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those congruence statements back in. So over to E, we have angle, side, angle for our pattern. So A, B, C, we're going from 2 to 1 is going to be X, Y, Z, congruent to X, Y, Z. In F, we got a vertical angle there at C, or pair of vertical angles. That's going to set up a side angle, side pattern for these two triangles to be congruent. So DCE is going to be congruent to BCA. You have to be careful to get the right sides there. And for the bottom part, the best way to do this is use the congruence statement to match up the corresponding angles, like E goes with R, F with Q, and G with S. So the 3x plus 4 side is equal to the 4x minus 3 side, so we can use that to solve for x. And then triangle sums is going to cause all those to be 180 degrees, so we should be in here in a second. So we subtract 125 from 180, we get 55 degrees. So that's going to be the measure of angle S. And then QS matches up with 18, so that's going to be the measure of QS.